In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Genshin Impact on mobile with a PlayStation 4 controller. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. First of all, before opening up Genshin Impact Mobile, what you have to do is connect your DualShock 4 controller to your phone. You can do so by using Bluetooth, which means you got to hold the PlayStation button and the button at the left side of your controller at the same time for a few seconds until the lights start blinking, or you just have to use a cable to connect the controller to your phone. Once it is connected, either through Bluetooth or through a cable, you should see listed somewhere over here. As you can see, for demonstration purposes only, I don't have a PS4 controller, but the process is the same. With the DualShock 4 controller, what you have to do inside of Genshin Impact is click on the Paimon head, go into the settings, and under the control type, you should have the controller option listed under touchscreen. Now, I want to make a disclaimer and say that as you can see, I don't have it, and this is because sadly, as of today, the PS4 or overall controller support is only available for Genshin Impact Mobile on iOS. Android still doesn't have support for controllers on mobile, and sadly, if you are trying to use a PS4 controller on Android, it is impossible to do. You can only use a PS4 controller on Genshin Impact Mobile if you are on iOS devices. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.